how to go live on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now tap on the plus icon on the bottom center of your screen, and further, you will be led to the camera of TikTok. Tap on the live option you see on the bottom of your screen, and further, add a title to your live video and then add a topic. If required, confirm your age and also make any necessary changes, such as enhancing the video or add leads, etc. You can also change your camera settings, such as device camera, mobile gaming, or live studio. Finally, tap on the Go Live button, and with this, your live video will begin. You can go ahead and end your live on TikTok anytime you want by tapping on your name and further tapping on the End Now button. So this is how you can go live on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.